So this video is about a kind of a loaded camel pose, which is a pose that would be done typically in yoga. So we're getting you to focus on where your feet should be. They should not be splayed like that, definitely not like that. Just make sure your toes are pointed backwards, and we're aiming to get our butt to fit in between the feet. So go as far back as you can, and I'm going to use the plate, that's a 20 kilo plate, on my thighs to stop my thighs from lifting off the ground. So what can often happen as people lie back is that this can happen and the thighs rise up because they're so bloody tight. So if we can weight that down a little bit, that can help, and it can stretch out our quads and our hip flexors a little bit more as well. Then if you find that you kind of get better effect by kind of placing it a little bit higher, then do so. And again, I'm doing some contractions here, so I'm pushing it up using my glutes and hip flexors and thighs to push it up, and then trying to settle myself down. As I get better, as the butt drops towards the floor, I'll extend my hands over my head, get a little bit more stretch into that, and then I might have to reposition it every now and again to try and get into a slightly better position. So that's kind of a variation of a loaded camel pose. That use of a plate could really help to kind of get us into a slightly better position. Enjoy.